I blinked, and my tent was up. 3 seconds, no stress, no poles to fight. Waterproof, roomy, and ready for beach days or hikes. Hit the link, I've got you covered. You ever try sleeping in a car and wake up feeling like a pretzel? Yeah, never again. This inflatable car bed turns my SUV into a legit comfy lounge. Camping, road trips, even chill beach days. Game changer. It comes with pillows, a pump, and a repair kit too. Trust me, your back will thank you. This folding saw is small but savage. I've used it for branches, plywood, even plastic, cuts smooth every time. It's lightweight, locks in place, and folds right into my tool bag. If you're into DIY or camping, check the link. You'll want this. This isn't just a hammock, it's a full-on chill zone. It holds up to 600 pounds, fits 2 people, and comes with a built-in mosquito net. So yeah, you can finally relax outdoors without getting eaten alive. It's made from tough, breathable nylon and packs down small with its own carry bag. Whether you're camping, hiking, or just vibing in the backyard, it sets up fast and feels amazing. Trust me, once you try this, you'll never sit in a camp chair again. Link's in the bio. Go grab yours. This flashlight is no joke, super bright, built tough, and totally rechargeable. Perfect for camping, power cuts, or night hikes. Links in bio, don't get caught in the dark. Need a tent that sets up in seconds? This automatic quick opening tent is your new best friend. No poles, no hassle, just pop it open and you're ready to chill. It's silver coated to block UV rays and fully waterproof to handle unexpected weather. Whether you're hitting the beach, camping, or having a picnic, this tent keeps you cool, dry, and comfortable. Lightweight, durable, and easy to carry. It folds down flat so it's always ready to go. Stop wasting time with complicated setups. Grab yours now on Temu and make your next outdoor trip effortless. Add some charm to your campsite with this adorable cartoon snail night lamp. It's USB rechargeable, lightweight, and perfect for outdoor hangouts, picnics, or cozy nights in. Hang it in your tent, your backyard, or even use it as cute decor. With a retro vibe and soft glow, it's functional and fun. Want one? Hit the link in my bio or description and grab yours now. Stay hydrated anywhere with this 12-liter portable water container. It's perfect for camping, road trips, picnics, whatever your adventure. The built-in faucet makes pouring easy and the durable design means no leaks, no spills. Lightweight, reusable, and super convenient for off-grid days. Don't get caught without clean water. Hit the link in my bio or description and grab yours now in our links.